Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's changing the face of farming forever. Smart harvesting machines powered by AI and robotics. Picture this. Fields of crops being harvested by autonomous machines that know exactly when and where to pick, reducing waste and maximizing yields. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now on farms across the globe, and it's revolutionizing how we produce food for our growing population. In this video, we've split everything into 4 easy-to-follow parts to guide you through this farming revolution. First, we'll look at where harvesting technology stands today and the challenges farmers face. Then, we'll explore the exciting rise of AI and robotics that's transforming these machines. Third, we'll uncover the amazing benefits and future potential of automated harvesting. And finally, we'll discuss how these advanced machines are impacting farmers and the entire agricultural industry. So stick around. Whether you're a farmer, tech enthusiast, or just curious about our food's future, you're in for an eye-opening journey. Part 1. The current state of harvesting. Traditional harvesting has come a long way from manual labor and horse-drawn equipment. Today's combines and harvesters are engineering marvels. These powerful machines can harvest acres of crops in a fraction of the time it once took. But they still have limitations. Current machines often operate on fixed patterns. They can't distinguish between ripe and unripe produce. They struggle with varied terrain and unpredictable weather conditions. And they require skilled operators who are becoming increasingly harder to find. Labor shortages hit the farming industry hard. Finding skilled workers for seasonal harvesting is challenging. This drives up costs and creates uncertainty for farmers worldwide. In places like California and Florida, some crops have even been left unharvested due to worker shortages. Efficiency remains a major concern too. Conventional harvesters waste between 5 to 25% of crops during collection. That's billions of dollars and countless resources literally left in the fields. In a world where food security is paramount, this waste is simply unsustainable. Climate change adds another layer of complexity. Unpredictable weather patterns mean harvest windows are shifting. Farmers need more precise, adaptable solutions to maintain productivity. The old ways just aren't cutting it anymore. Part 2. The rise of AI and robotics. Enter artificial intelligence and robotics, the game changers in modern agriculture. These technologies aren't just add-ons to existing equipment. They represent a fundamental shift in how we approach harvesting. Computer vision systems now enable machines to see crops with remarkable precision. High-resolution cameras and sensors scan plants continuously. AI algorithms process this data instantly, distinguishing between ripe and unripe produce, identifying diseases, and detecting optimal harvest points. Take the apple-picking robots developed by companies like Abundant Robotics. These machines use suction technology and computer vision to identify perfectly ripe apples. They can work 24/7 without breaks, picking fruit with a gentleness that rivals human hands. Machine learning algorithms are the brains behind these operations. They improve with every harvest season. The more data they collect, the smarter they become. Today's systems can predict optimal harvest times based on countless variables, from soil moisture to plant health indicators. GPS and mapping technologies give these machines unprecedented accuracy. They navigate fields with centimeter-level precision, avoiding obstacles and adjusting to terrain variations automatically. No more wasted passes or missed spots. The integration of sensor technology is equally impressive. Soil sensors, weather monitors, and crop health detectors feed real-time data to harvesting equipment. This creates a responsive system that adjusts on the fly to changing conditions. Part 3. Benefits and future of automated harvesting. The benefits of AI-powered harvesting are transformative. First and foremost, these systems drastically reduce waste. Smart harvesters can identify and collect only crops at peak ripeness. This precision increases marketable yield by up to 20% compared to conventional methods. Labor efficiency skyrockets with automation. A single autonomous harvester can replace dozens of manual laborers. This addresses the growing labor shortage while reducing harvest costs by up to 30% over time. Quality improvements are significant too. AI-guided harvesting results in more consistent, higher-grade produce. Machines can sort crops in real time during harvest, separating premium from standard quality automatically. Resource usage becomes vastly more efficient. Smart harvesters minimize fuel consumption through optimized routing. They reduce water and fertilizer needs through precise field management. This leads to lower environmental impact across the board. Looking to the future, we're seeing exciting developments in swarm robotics. Imagine fleets of smaller, specialized harvesting robots working together across a field. Each bot handling specific tasks, some picking, others sorting, others transporting. Predictive harvest planning will become the norm. AI systems will analyze historical data, current conditions, and market demands to optimize harvest schedules. They'll even coordinate with processing facilities and distribution networks to minimize waste throughout the supply chain. Energy independence is another frontier. Future harvesting machines will likely run on renewable energy, solar, biofuels, or hydrogen cells. Some prototypes already feature solar panels that power operations during daylight hours. Part 4. Impact on farmers and the industry. The transition to AI-powered harvesting represents both opportunity and challenge for today's farmers. The initial investment in autonomous equipment is substantial. A fully autonomous harvesting system can cost several $100,000. But the return on investment typically materializes within 2 to 5 years through labor savings and increased yields. New skill requirements are emerging in agriculture. Tomorrow's farmers need to understand data analytics, basic robotics maintenance, and operation of sophisticated control systems. This is creating a knowledge gap that agricultural education programs are racing to fill. Smaller farms face unique challenges in adoption. The high initial costs can be prohibitive. However, equipment sharing programs and leasing options are emerging to democratize access to this technology. On the positive side, these technologies are attracting younger generations back to farming. Tech-savvy individuals who might have left agriculture are finding renewed interest in high-tech farming operations. This could help reverse the aging trend in the farming population. Contract farming and service models are evolving alongside the technology. Some companies now offer harvesting as a service, where farmers pay per acre rather than purchasing equipment outright. This reduces financial barriers to entry. The environmental impact is substantial too. Precision harvesting reduces fuel usage, minimizes soil compaction, and optimizes resource utilization. Studies show greenhouse gas emissions can be reduced by up to 40% compared to conventional methods. We're standing at the threshold of a new era in agriculture. AI and robotics aren't just changing harvesting machines. They're redefining what's possible in food production. These technologies promise greater efficiency, reduced waste, and more sustainable farming practices at a time when our planet needs them most. The transition won't happen overnight. There will be growing pains as farmers adapt and technologies mature. But the direction is clear. The fusion of traditional farming wisdom with cutting-edge technology offers our best path forward. Whether you're excited about the technology, concerned about the economics, or just curious about where your food will come from in the future, one thing is certain. The fields of tomorrow will look very different from today's. And that's something worth watching closely. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the future of harvesting machines. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the technologies shaping our world. Until next time, keep looking forward.